Yes, look at this question. We are being told that solve 6 cos²x equal to 5 sin x for this, that is from 0x to p less than so look at this question here. We are being told that solve 6 cos²x minus 5 sin x. So our range should be from 0 up to 180. Okay, 0 is less than the x and x is less than 1. So x here is greater than 0 and x is less than 180. So the range should be in between 0 and 180. So the first thing we do here is that we want to write 6 cos²x equals to 5 sin x. Then the next step here is that we need now to find what we call Pythagorean identity. Pythagorean identity here, now it will be 6, because we know so well that cos²x is equal to 1 minus sin²x. Okay, so we want to substitute this one here. We want to substitute cos²x with 1 minus sin x in the original equation, in this original equation. So what we want to do here, we write 6 into 1 minus sin²x equals to 5 sin x. Okay, so after writing that way, let us now distribute the 6 on both sides. That is going to be 6 minus 6 sin²x equals to 5 sin x. Okay, then the next thing, it is for us now to rearrange the equation. Let's now rearrange this equation so that on the other side we can have 0. Now it will be 6 minus 6 sin²x minus 5 sin x equals to 0. Now I have rearranged it. Then the next thing I can do, let me say that let sin x equals to a, so that I can simplify it. So at this point here I can say 6 minus 6a² minus 5a equals to 0. Okay, I think you have seen the way I formed it. So after forming that one here, the next thing is now to form the quadratic equation. Remember I formed the quadratic equation. Now let me rearrange the quadratic equation of it. Rearrange the quadratic equation of this one. Now let me start with negative 6a² minus 5a plus 6 is equals to 0. Let me multiply everything here with the positive. So negative 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 will be 6a² plus 5a minus 6 equals to 0. So the next thing is you need to find the product. The product is negative, that's 6. Then sum here is positive 5. Then factors. The factors of this one now it will be 9 and a negative 4. When I multiply these two, I will get negative 6, negative 36. When I add 9 plus negative 4, I will get positive 5. So at this point here, I want to have 6a² plus 9a minus 4a minus 6 equals to 0. So the common factor here, these two, will be 3a into 3a was to 6a, that is 2a plus 3 minus the common factor here, it is 2, that's into 2a plus, because negative times positive it will give us negative, plus 3 equals to 0. Now I will take 3a minus 2, 2a plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so 3a minus 2 equals to 0, which is the same as now 3a equals to 2 divided by 3 divided by 3. Now a equals to 2 over 3. Another one, this is 2a plus 3 equals to 0, which it will give us 2a equals to 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. A equals to negative 1.5. Now this one here, it will give us math error when we are finding the sine inverse of it, which means there is no answer. Okay, so let us concentrate on this one here. Now we said Sine x was equal to a, remember? We said Sine x equals to a. So if Sine x is equal to a, then we can say Sine x equals to 2 over 3. Then x equals to the sine inverse of 2 over 3. It will be that is the sine inverse. It will be 41.81 degrees. Then we need to satisfy the equation. Another x, it will be 138.19 degrees, and that is the answer.